Winner's Circle presents the Fire Mixtape.
Skateboarding with my homeboys, roaming the street. I was 13, turning 14 in a week. One day after school, his aunt wasn't home. He stole her sack, we went out back, my first time getting stoned. It was Reggie, but you couldn't tell me that at the time. Eyelids heavy and I thought that I was losing my mind. Called my parents, told them that we caught a ride to the mall, just so they wouldn't think I was at his house at all. We were baked, so we thought about baking a cake. We couldn't wait, so we all drank some cake batter shake. It was fading for an instant, we were running the same, cause we all fell in love with her, Mary Jane. Every time I got some dough, I would spend it on some dro. I would smoke till I was broke, hit the bong until I choke. I'd be rich if I had every dollar I spent, but it's worth it cause it's something that I'll never forget. I get
You're listening to Gry, the samurai of sounds.
I was high as fuck behind the Cracker Barrel for the first time, smoking out of pop cans, a bad case of red eye. Straight blaze, walking around town, chewing bubble gum. Walmart through the side door, looking fucking dumb like motherfucker, you high? Bad allergies this time of year, I swear I went straight to the clear eyes. Gotta straighten up, this janitor's been scoping for a minute. Now I'm hiding out in grocery land, chilling with the spinach. Higher than giraffe pussy from the start to the finish. Higher than a Georgia pine, man, I made a turkey sandwich. Yo, is that a cop behind us? Act straight, man, don't fuck up. It's just a dude in the Crown Vic. Oh, I ate the weed, man, what the fuck? Peace to the tokas, you know I fucking love you. 710 to dab dudes, you know we fucking cool too. Here's a brief message from all my happy stoners. If you drive a Crown Vic around at night, you lick boners.
You're rocking with Puppit Maztar.
The first time, yo, affected my brain. It gave me rhythm, I remember never stepping the same. It was Nebula and then got me hip to the game. Now I could hear a lighter striking like a mile away. Flash forward the bong hits and getting high every day. If I'm a die, I plan on going in a glorious blaze. It made an impact, so I had to give this story a page. I'm a son of a burning bush, like I was born in a manger. Anybody with a blood is never gonna be a stranger. From the bud, I hope I never end up getting estranged. Me without a little bit in my veins is a danger. Most of these kids still don't even know Kush is its own strain. Used to mess with the bros and the cocaine. Now it's all green like a Celtics home game. Smelling super loud. And the last time I blew a cloud was in the back. Stevie doing 90 in the slow lane.
At the Fire Mixtape on Twitter.